are by the letter. First letter of the last name. These are our letters. All right, if it's a jersey, it'll go by the first letter of the name on the back of the jersey. So if it's Will Clark, it'll go to C. If it's Giannis, the Greek Freak, it'll go to the A. You just never know what's going to come out. If it's a hyphenated name like D. Santos in UFC, it would go to the D. If it's a single name, or some of the fighters go by a single name, it'll go by what the first letter of the single name on the card. Self-explanatory, really. If it's multiplayer stuff, you still have to own 50% or more. I don't know if there are any multiplayers in any of these, but if there are, that's the dealio. We'll do the UFC first. First letter of the last name, we'll do the UFC, then we'll do the jerseys, and we'll finish up with the basketball reveal. We've got some really nice basketballs out of there so far. We've got a Kevin McHale and a Ja Morant. And we got one sort of, we got a Spud Webb, but everyone can't be a banger, but we have got some nice stuff out of there. This is the H2 Select 4 packs. I mail out all this stuff. I like the UFC cards, so I just mail them all out. They're sort of cool. You never know. Some of the rookies could be good. Yari Rodriguez, Robert Whitaker, Chris Weidman, Jari Porchaka for the P spot, rookie. There's a V, Marvin Vettori, V. I think that's the guy that just fought for the championship. There's a Volkan Ozemar, Silver Prism for the O spot. There's a V. There is a V. There's a Caleb N spot, undefeated champion. John Blachowicz for the B. Chris Weidman. Why is Chris Weidman a rookie? Must never had a card. He's been around forever, though. Robbie Lawler for the L. Here's an O spot to 199. Volkan Ozdemir. I don't know who he is, to tell you the truth. There's an L. Brock Lesnar, L. Joseph Benedito, B. Diego Ferreira, F. Oh, that's a nice one to 99. The undefeated retired champion, Caleb Nurmagomedov. There's a Justin Gaethje Silver Prism. That's nice. Derek Lewis, Peter Yan. He's pretty good too. That's a good rookie. For the A spot, there's a W spot. She just lost again. Cantonier, C spot. And Jacare Souza for the S spot. Pretty cool. I think our card to 99 is probably a pretty good card for the N spot. Lemmy. Justin Gaethje Silver. I think he might win the title. That's for Maria. I think Justin Gaethje can beat Oliveira. And I think Justin Gaethje just beat Michael Chandler, maybe? No, he didn't fight Michael Chandler. He fought somebody else, but he beat him. It was a close one. All right. Where are my stickers? Let's do an inked. There's our first seal. There's our second seal. Packaging on these aren't near as good as Leaf and TriStar, but you're not paying for the packaging, are you? Paying for what's inside. Looks like Dawkins. Here's an empty box. Beckett. Dawkins for the E-Girls for the D spot. D is in dog. Leo. Chris, Paul wanted that one too. Dang it. That's Paul's team. Second one. There's one seal. Like I said, the boxes are a lot flimsier than the other ones. But the jerseys have been nice. They've been all decent. They've all been authenticated properly. Oh my goodness, that's Joe Montana. I'm almost positive that's Joe Montana. Montana. Nice one. Told you we haven't had any bangers, but that's a pretty good one. For the M spot, Mr. Blaine. That's JSA cert, Joe Montana. For the M spot, Mr. Blaine. And our basketball. Basketball is red tape. Football was the green tape. One seal. Two seals. And get it all. Alright, let's see what our basketball is. Paper. Hall of Fame 2021, Bob Dandridge. Bob Dandridge for the D spot. Leo. All right. There's our 9 boxes. 2 Leaf jerseys, 2 TriStar jerseys, 1 full-size helmet, 2 mini helmets, and 2 8x10s. Let me stop this video, start the music.